Hey guys, today we're gonna debunk the myth about range anxiety. Come with me. In Porsche electric cars, there is this function that's called Porsche Charge Planner, which means the car will tell you where you need to stop and how long it will take. Let me show you how this works. Let's say this car is currently showing us 552 kilometers of range on a 96% charge, and we want to go to Wellington. Now it will tell us how long it will take us to get there and where we need to stop. Currently we can see that we need to stop for 14 minutes only to top ourselves up, and we will arrive to the destination with 12% still in the tank. Now that I know that I have enough charge and I know where I need to stop, I'm off to Wellington. See you on Monday.